Hello students, kindly take out Standard 6 Social Science, Part 3, Civics, page number 214. Dear students, let's continue the chapter. Students, today we will discuss art and sculpture. Cave paintings of Ajanta and Ellora in Maharashtra are the earliest forms of art based on the teaching of the Buddha. Miniature art is seen in Pahari, Rajput and Mughal paintings. Modern art is seen nowadays. Diversity is seen in sculptures also. The stupas of Sanchi was built by Emperor Asoka and the Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. Many famous monuments and buildings are parts of our heritage. Dear students, see, this is the picture. Diversity is seen in sculptures also. Food habits. Due to the diversity in the landforms, climates and seasons, the food grains grown in these regions are also different. Different people have different food habits. People in Punjab like sarson ka saag and makai ki roti. Bengali like rasgulla. Dosha is popular in South India. Clothes. The dress worn by the people determined by the land and the climate conditions of a place. The popular dresses in our country wear by the women are salwar kameez in Punjab, ghagra kurta with an odhni is Haryana, ghagra kachli in Rajasthan, lehenga choli in Gujarat, and a mundu blouse in Kerala. Dear students, see. Picture in India wear colorful clothes. Men generally wear trousers and shirts. Other dresses for men are pajama kurta, dhoti kurta, lungi kurta or lungi shirt. Men in Rajasthan wear churidar kurta with an achkan, lungi in Tamil Nadu, mundu in Kerala, dhoti kurta in West Bengal and Assam. The Kashmiris wear a long woolen kurta called a firan. Kerala, a case study. Kerala is a narrow strip of land between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats in the southwest corner of India. It is full of coconut trees and has beautiful beaches. Kerala has the highest rate of literacy. Women in Kerala hold a high position in the society. People of many religions live together in harmony. Hills and valleys. Kerala has high mountains which have deep valleys and are covered with forests. Cash crops like tea, coffee and cardamom, etc. are grown on the mountain slopes on large farms called plantations. Midland plains. In this region, the hills are not very steep. The valleys are wide and are dotted with paddy fields. The higher lands and hill slopes have plantations of rubber, fruit trees, tapioca and other cash crops like pepper. Coastal belt. This belt is comparatively plain. Large rice or paddy fields and groves of coconut trees are found. Backwaters. The backwaters are a peculiar feature of the state. These are a network of canals and lakes and are fed by as many as 38 rivers. The chief mode of transport is by boat. Rivers. There are 44 rivers in the state. which begin from the Western Ghats. They are now being harnessed for power generation and irrigation. The backwaters and the inland waterways have helped in the growth of the core industry, which is the oldest traditional cottage industry in the state. Core made out of coconut husk and is transported through waterways. Fishing is a flourishing industry in several parts of the state. Kerala is famous for rosewood wood and sandalwood carvings, brass and bell, metal lamps, and gold jewelry. Kathakali is a form of dance drama and Mohiniyattam is a classical dance form of Kerala. Kalarai Payattu is a famous marital art form of this state. Onam is the main festival of the state. The snake boat races raised during the festival are a popular tourist attraction. Magnificently decorated snake boats take part in the boat race. The Sabarimal Ayappa temple and the Bhagavati temple at Attukal are famous pilgrim centers in Kerala. The varieties of life in Kerala can be seen in the religious and secular festivals which form an integral part of its cultural heritage. Okay students, thank you.